Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix music or sound not working or playing here in Google Chrome. So for example, we have this and we play this video on YouTube, and as you can see, there's no sound, right? So what we're going to do is click the three dots, go to settings, and under the privacy and security, go to site settings. Scroll down and click additional content setting and go to sound. As you can see, sites are not allowed to play sound. So click sites can play sound. And once we go back,
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like, and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
it is now working. So the sound is now working, and also an easy fix for that is just right click on here and you can see you can mute this specific site only, and just right click on it and unmute site, so for easier access for muting or unmuting a specific site only. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.